Okay, so hello guys, this is Jagannath Samantra and I want to show you my personal project MeetCast. So what is MeetCast? It basically combines the idea of meeting and podcast. So what is meeting in the context of MeetCast here? MeetCast it is same as the Google Meet. One can turn on and off their audios, videos and can share their screen. Can also chat with those who have joined the room. And what is podcast here? So podcast is also same as the meeting, but the only difference between the meeting and podcast that in the podcast one cannot turn and on and off their video and can share the screen, but the rest they can do very easily. And in if it is meeting, then it will always be of private room time, and if it is podcast, then it will always be of public or private. uh, okay, so what is public and private room time? Let us explore. So here if you click on get started, so if you already have an account, you can log in into your account. If you have made your account using Google, so then you have to sign in from Google. Or if you have signed up your account manually using email ID, so you have to provide your email ID and password. So I will show you just a demo, as I have already my account. I will just show you one demo. So if I will write test@gmail.com, yeah, after you have click on next, the email, the OTP will be sent on the particular email ID that you have typed. So be accessible to your email. If I will click on next, I am only showing the OTP till the OTP page. So once you have write your OTP, provided the right OTP, and it will ask for your username, full name, and the profile photo, and the password that you want to set. So if you want to add profile photo, that's okay, else you can just skip that part, and then you will be registered successfully. But for now I'm signing in my already existing account. So here now if I will continue as Jagannath, okay. Yeah, so the Google pop-up is already open. Let us click on this. Okay, so email ID is already okay. I am in register page. So first we have to go on login page, because I have already created my account using this email ID. So now from here we have to sign in. So yeah, once you have set up your account, you will be redirected to the rooms page. Now here in the rooms page, let us explore by creating our own room. So here you have given with two options, which will be the room type. It will be podcast or meet. If it will be podcast, and you are given with two options, it can be public, it can be private. So what's the difference between public and private? If the room type is of public, anyone with the link can join, but they can't talk. Only the host and the speakers of the room will have the right to talk, and everyone can listen their talks. So yeah, if there is an influencer or a creator that want to talk about the trends and technologies of the markets, so then they can come here and they can make their own room, and after making their own room, they can send the link to their to the subscribers who subscribe, or the community that they want to join, so that they can join and can listen about trends and technologies. So suppose if I want to talk about engineering, about what, you can add your about what. We have, for now we have kept limited options only, and I want the room type to be of public. We'll explore private later. If let us learn Next.js. Okay, if I want to learn Next.js, yeah, and here I have actually here is the validation of 50 letters, so that's why I'm pasting this. You can now, if I want to assign any speaker to my podcast, that only the host, means I am, and the speaker of the podcast can only speak in this room. So I will assign now Jag Sam he's it's the one of my account only. Now if I will create room, now you can see now I can directly join the room. So now if I will join the room, here only mic option is available and we can only chat. Okay, let us invite our one more friend from here. Is my another account, Jax. One is Jagannath and one is Jax. So now if I want to join the room, and now here I can see and the owner has already joined the room, so he came. And now if I want to speak with him, hello, yeah, let us learn about Next.js, what's the current trend, etc. I can speak and I can invite all and let them learn from us, etc. We can do anything. And only the owner, and here the owner will be also get updated that anyone has joined the room. Okay, and if I want to chat with, so yeah, hello Jagannath, first send hello Jagannath. See, so now here you can see that Jax has sent hello Jagannath. Hi Jax. So it is all about the podcast and of public type. Okay, now if you want to leave the room, you can leave the room from here. Now and now suppose if I want to make meet, okay, so if you want to create a meet, here you go. Okay, so meet will always be of room type of private. Okay, so room type the meet, it cannot be public because for now we are using free servers. So it can't handle very much load on it, because if the video will be turned on and off and can share their screen, so yeah, it will be a load for the server. So for now we have keep meet as private, and only 4 people can join the meet, and not more than that. Okay, so here I have also followed the instruction. If room type is meet, then it will always be private. If room type is meet, those users who can join the room will allow be. Okay, if any type, whether you create a podcast or meet, if I creating in private, then anyone that can join the room will be allowed to speak. But I have also kept a validation there that anyone cannot join the room. You will first have to send the link to the user, and then they have to join. So let me show you my meet test. Okay, description of the room. Here I shouldn't description. So after that I can create my room. Now the room is created. Now as you can see, this is my private room type. As you can see, this is my private room type. So here is also a waiting list. Okay, so now if I want to from here we can also share link, copy to your clipboard. Now if I want to, now first I have to request to join the room. Now your request has been sent. So if I will refresh on this page, I can see the request. I can see the waiting list that one person sent the request. Okay, if I will refresh this page, so your request has already been sent. Wait for the host acceptance, or that the user cannot send multiple requests. Now if I will accept, it will be accepted. Now if I will refresh this, now you can see that Jax can join this room. So if I want to join the room, so now I have joined the room, and if I want to join the room from it, if you will be first redirected, then you will be allowed, then you will be have to allow the microphone and the camera. Okay, so now you can see I can turn and on and off my mic, I can turn and on off my video, and I can also share my screen. As we have seen, we can turn and off our mic, etc. Now let us see about video. So yeah, you can see we can also turn and off our video, and it is accessible here. And if I want to share my screen, I can also share my screen. Let me share my entire screen. So if I want, you can see here that I have shared my entire screen, and the another participants can also see that I have shared my entire screen. Okay, and if the another participants want to fully see my screen, right, so you can also maximize. Okay, And now if I want, suppose if I want to stop the sharing, I can also stop my sharing, and now the sharing has stopped. Okay, so now and if you will refresh the page, then he will be kicked out of the room. Okay, and also they can chat with each other, etc. If for now I'm leaving the room, you can return to rooms from here. Also it consists of a profile page. In the profile page you can update your profile picture, your cover bg, and you can also update your about, and you can also see here in my podcast room section, here are all the podcasts that you have created. You are the host of this podcast. In my meet section, here are the rooms that you have created, and you are the owner of this meet. And in my speaking rooms, here are the rooms in which you are assigned as a speaker, as we have seen for now only. As you have seen, that we assigned Jack Sam as our speaker in this learn about Next.js. So yeah, in my speaking rooms this is available, etc. And if anyone want to know about if anyone want to know about a specific podcast, suppose if anyone want to know about fitness, is there any podcast on fitness? So yeah, this can he got it. If anyone want to know about engineering, so yeah, there's a lot of engineering. If anyone wants to know about art, and if there is no room time, then it will be blank. Should not keep it blank. I can and if you want to switch the all voice rooms, then I can switch on all voice rooms. Yeah, so pretty much all about my product. I hope you'll like it. Please let me know in the comment section.